Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In this demo, we'll show you how to use the column style feature in the config wizard. This feature helps you avoid having to slide the column each time you want to see more detail. To access the config wizard, click on the gear icon. Next, click Column Style. In our case, we'll select the opportunity name column. Set the width to 220 instead of 120. After that, copy the configuration. Next, go to the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down until you see Column Style. Paste the configuration and click Save. Finally, click Back. As you can see, the problem is solved. Thank you for watching.